near rogue satellites. And then there's the concept of robotic arms designed to reach out and physically grab hold of space junk. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but these ideas are being seriously considered and tested. But tackling the space junk problem isn't just about cleaning up, it's also about prevention. That's where international collaborations and regulations come in. Space agencies around the world are working together, setting guidelines to limit space debris. These include measures like designing satellites to burn up on re-entry, or ensuring rockets have enough fuel to return to Earth after launching their payloads. Indeed, cleaning up space is not an easy task, but with innovative solutions and global cooperation, we can make a difference. So let's roll up our sleeves, because the future of space exploration depends on us keeping our cosmic backyard clean. Now you might be wondering, how can I contribute to this space cleanup? And it's a valid question. We all have a role to play in preserving our outer space environment. Firstly, your support for research initiatives can make a big difference. This can be as simple as following and sharing updates from organizations committed to space cleanup. By doing this, you're helping to raise awareness about the issue and the solutions being developed. Secondly, you can use your voice to advocate for responsible space practices. This means challenging companies and governments to think about the long-term consequences of their actions and to adopt more sustainable approaches. And finally, consider supporting educational programs that inspire the next generation of space explorers. These programs can nurture a greater understanding of the importance of space hygiene among our youth. Remember, every action counts. Together, we can ensure a safer and cleaner space for future generations.